Hello everyone. Today, we will create straight-through and crossover Ethernet patch cable. To make a cable, we need the following materials: UTP cable, RJ45 connectors, a crimping tool, and an Ethernet cable tester. To make a straight-through cable, first, strip about 1 to 2 inches from the end of the UTP cable using the wire stripper on the crimping tool. Next, untwist and straighten the wires. Arrange the wires following the T568B color code: white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. After arranging them, cut the wires evenly using the wire cutter. Insert the wires into the RJ45 connector while making sure the locking clip is facing down. Double check that the wires are in the correct order and fully inserted. Then place the connector in the crimping tool and squeeze firmly. Repeat the same process on the other end using the same T568B color code. To test the cable, plug both ends into the Ethernet cable tester. If the LEDs light up 1 to 8 in order, the straight-through cable is working. And to make crossover cable, the procedure is the same, but a crossover cable uses two different standards. One end uses T568A and on the other end uses T568B. T568A color code: white green green, white orange blue, white blue orange, white brown brown. And T568B color code: white orange orange, white green blue, white blue green, white brown brown. To test the cable, plug both ends into the Ethernet cable tester. When testing a crossover cable, the LED pattern show 13, 26, 31, 44, 55, 62, 77, 88.